In our example here, we have a bunch of empty rule sets. It's important to follow the order of the link styles as they build upon each other. The styles defined in the first rule will impact all the later ones. If the styles are rearranged, it may result in an unexpected behavior. Let's add some code to it. Now, the link sets the color of an unvisited link. In this case, the color will be bright green. For the visited, sets the color when the link is visited. In this case, the color will be dark green. For the focus, it sets the style of the link when it has focus, meaning when the user is interacting with it, the background will be a light orange color. Hover sets the style for the link when the user hovers over it with a mouse. Now in this case, the background here will be bright red, and a solid bottom border will be added. Now we have the active, and this sets the style when it is being actively clicked. In this case, the background will be dark purple and the text color will be bright green.